What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought this Osmo Pocket backpack clip and I hated it, but now I love it. So I just unboxed it and I was realizing, hey, this thing doesn't seem like it's going to work. So here it is in all its glory. This is what this thing looks like coming right out of the box. I literally took it out of the box and you can see it even has a brand name on there. STARTRC, not Star Trek, STARTRC. And this piece actually was separated. And so you put this Osmo Pocket in here, in this clip, and then you put it into this GoPro style attachment, swivel right there, and then you can screw this piece in there. And so that's how it'll stay attached. And if you've ever used these before, the nice thing about them is once you tighten these things down, they shouldn't really move. And so that's kind of nice. You can put this in the angle that you want. Now the problem is the Osmo sticks straight up and down here, and I was looking at this clip and I was like, why does this alligator clip, you can see it's very toothy, should be a nice biting surface. Well, why is the clip mounted like this? Because the Osmo will be mounted vertically, but basically I want the clip horizontal, not vertical. And then it dawned on me. I looked here, I saw the screw there, and boom, what ends up happening is you can feel a little detents there, but I can move this around. So now I can clip this onto my backpack strap, have the Osmo oriented vertically, maybe even this way, and now it's all perfect. And then I can close it all up, make it nice and compact. So my first impression of this was very angry, and I was looking on Amazon for a different version, but now I am very happy. And so I would highly recommend this. If you want to pick this up, it wasn't expensive. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda out.